After months of leaks and speculation, the Garmin CIRQA is finally official, and today we'll clear up the doubts that might have carried over from the leaks we covered earlier. Our observations about the sensor were actually pretty close. But first, let's talk about the price. Garmin has launched CIRQA at $199.99. At this price, it costs significantly less than a Venue, Forerunner, or Phoenix, yet still brings many of the health insights people normally associate with those devices. That said, Garmin still offers Garmin Connect Plus, its optional premium subscription. The good news is that CIRQA works perfectly without it. Core features like automatic activity detection, health tracking, sleep tracking, safety and utility features, and connected GPS are all included for free. Connect Plus simply adds extras such as AI-powered insights, guided workouts, and other premium services available across the Garmin ecosystem. Now, before we get to the biggest surprise, let's look at the device itself. CIRQA uses a stretchy woven nylon band instead of the traditional silicone straps found on most Garmin watches. Like several competing screenless fitness trackers, it can be worn on either the wrist or the upper arm. There's also a single physical button that lets you start and stop workouts manually, and it can be assigned to predefined activities such as yoga or strength training, so you don't always need to open the Garmin Connect app. Even without a display, CIRQA isn't completely silent. It includes a vibration motor for alarms, smart wake, hourly reminders, daily goal notifications, and Garmin's Find My Band feature, which makes the band vibrate if you've misplaced it. The biggest surprise is just how comprehensive the health tracking is. CIRQA includes continuous heart rate monitoring, HRV status, body battery, sleep score, sleep coach, health status, stress tracking, respiration tracking, skin temperature, pulse ox, women's health tracking, hydration logging, fitness age, relaxation reminders, and meditation support. These are features that were once reserved for Garmin's premium smartwatches, yet they're all available on a device with no display. Garmin has also expanded beyond automatic health tracking with lifestyle logging. Users can manually record habits and symptoms in Garmin Connect, including caffeine intake, alcohol consumption, meals, hydration, and symptoms such as night sweats. This makes it easier to correlate daily habits with sleep quality, HRV, body battery, and recovery, giving users a broader picture of their overall wellness. It's also clear that Garmin expects CIRQA to be worn around the clock. Features like HRV status, body battery, sleep coach, skin temperature trends, recovery time, and health status become much more meaningful when the device is worn continuously for days or even weeks. Rather than focusing purely on workouts, Garmin has designed CIRQA around long-term health, recovery, and wellness tracking. Now, about the sensor. As I mentioned earlier, this isn't the current Elevate Gen 5 module. Instead, Garmin is using what appears to be a new Elevate Gen 4 based module that explicitly includes a skin temperature sensor. Garmin simply describes it as a new sensor, so it could be a modified version of Gen 4. On paper, the feature set is impressive. The only thing left to evaluate is accuracy, and that's something we'll have to wait for real-world testing. One notable omission is ECG, which isn't surprising given the sensor hardware. There's also no blood pressure monitoring. That suggests Garmin intentionally positioned CIRQA as a wellness and recovery wearable rather than trying to compete with medical-focused health devices. Activity tracking is surprisingly extensive despite the lack of a display. CIRQA supports walking, running, cycling, strength training, HIIT, yoga, Pilates, cardio, and several other indoor and outdoor activities. While there's no built-in GPS, it supports connected GPS, allowing it to record routes using your smartphone or a compatible Garmin device. Connectivity is intentionally simple. CIRQA supports both Bluetooth and ANT+, while omitting Wi-Fi, LTE, NFC, onboard music storage, smartwatch features, Garmin Pay, and Connect IQ. The inclusion of ANT+ is actually a pleasant surprise because earlier leaks never mentioned it. According to Garmin, CIRQA can broadcast your heart rate to compatible Garmin devices, including edge cycling computers, making it a better fit for cyclists and existing Garmin users. Finally, battery life. Garmin officially rates CIRQA for up to 10 days on a single charge. That's certainly respectable, although it isn't class-leading for a screenless fitness band. WHOOP 5 is rated for around 14 days, while Fitbit Air is also rated for around 7 days. So battery life sits comfortably in the middle of the current market rather than setting a new benchmark. So what do you think about Garmin CIRQA? Is it something you'd actually buy, or would you still pick a WHOOP or another fitness band instead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future Garmin coverage. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.